Hey, I'm Jeff Calder with Heating Green. This is an infrared Cove heater. It's going to mount up on the wall, not take up any usable space. It's going to need no maintenance whatsoever, and the room is going to feel like you're sitting in rays of sunshine. Here we are at the thermostat, and we can simply keep this or switch it out to a more energy efficient one and put our Cove heater right up on the wall. So here we are, we've installed the thermostat and the infrared Cove heater, and what's nice is no usable space is taken up, no maintenance whatsoever, there's no noise at all, and we're going to save 30 to 40% on our heating costs because now we're heating up the people and the objects in the room, not just the air. It feels warm and cozy in the room. Unlike before, it just never felt comfortable.